Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Hoplet brand Edgeless Microfiber cleaning cloths. These are car wash towels. It's a 6-pack of towels. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, of course, up close, and then demonstrate them and let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so showing you what these things look like with water. It's going to handle itself pretty well. Trying to give you a feel for what it's like if you really immerse this thing and then do some work with it. So first of all, it drains really nice, and you know, one of the concerns would be that it falls apart or something like that. And there's 0 threads coming off this thing. I'm not sure if you can see in the sink or not, but there's nothing going on there. So really happy about that. So one of the things that we need to do is be able to wash a car, so it's going to get wet. So being able to do that looks great. So now I'm going to show you the next step. So to me, a big part of this is being able to dry and not leave spots. So as we kind of find some wet areas after a wash, I'm hoping you can see this does a really nice job at drying without leaving spots, and that is a super important thing if you go through a lot of car washes or something like that. I know I'm moving around a lot, hoping to find you spots where, again, it just leaves no marks at all. It's good on windshield, windows, you name it. So to me, this is really, really important to be able to kind of go through and clean up after some of these automated washes, and or if you're doing it on your own, just being able to dry a car off properly with the right, give that a little boost too, with the right type of towel. And to me, microfiber is always important to not scratch your car up. So to me, totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. This thing looks great. I love the edgeless concept, and again, we showed you how they work when they're wet and dry just as good. So totally worth buying. Thanks for watching.